In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Apple Pay on your iPhone, ensuring you'll have a faster and more secure way to make payments. The process is straightforward, but there are a few important details to pay attention to, especially when it comes to software updates and regional settings. So let's dive into the steps. First things first, it's crucial to ensure that your iPhone has the latest iOS software. This is because Apple frequently updates their software to improve functionality and security, and the latest version is often required for features like Apple Pay. To check this, open your Settings app. Within Settings, look for the option labeled Software Update. If there is an update available, go ahead and install it. This might take a little time depending on your internet speed, but it's an essential step to guarantee compatibility and access to the latest features. Once you have confirmed that your software is up to date, navigate back to the main Settings menu. Scroll down until you find the option labeled General. Tap on that, and within General, scroll to find Language and Region. The region setting on your iPhone is vital because Apple Pay is not available in all regions. Ensuring your region is correctly set up allows you to access Apple Pay if it is supported. If you find that your current region doesn't support Apple Pay, change it to a region that does, if applicable and appropriate for you. Next, head over to your Apple Wallet app, which is where you'll add your payment cards. Open the app and locate the option to add a card. The app will guide you through placing your card within the frame on your screen if you're scanning it, or you can manually enter the card details if you prefer. This process should be fairly seamless. However, if you encounter any difficulties here, such as your card not being accepted, this might be an indication you need to get in touch with your bank or card issuer. In some cases, your bank might need to authorize your card for use with Apple Pay. This can usually be resolved with a quick call or visit to their website. They may have specific security protocols that require you to verify and approve the addition of your card to your digital wallet. And that covers everything you need to do to get Apple Pay up and running on your iPhone. Once your card is added, you can start making payments effortlessly with just a tap of your phone. Remember to always keep your software updated and your security settings robust to ensure a smooth and secure payment experience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you on your journey to a more convenient digital payment method.